truth about the priest seen on the camera or the Amako screen has come out. We thank the blogger Mwikuku who went on to make the research. I don't know what people take priest for, because God raised, let me use the word, God raised a lay person, and the person, I don't know, the people now begin to allow the devil to use them to introduce a kind of power tussle. I don't know what you take priest for. My father not a mechanic. I say no, well, it's certified anyway. Ndo, father came back. All I can tell him, ndo you go to the because when you recommend somebody, and at the end of the day, the wind of the prophetic Buronya, you have and I control you, I control. If you don't control Oburugi, Bubagi, listen to many, including many Archbishop Milingo, Father Anozie, Nkabro Father Anozie, Binkabo, another Anozie of former Owerri, former Abadiasis. See where the wind of prophecy drove them. Now, prophecy is like a junk meal, something like meat pie, egg roll, ice cream, shawarma. You cannot use it to replace the main meal that your mother gives you. We priests are like mothers. We give you the traditional meal. We do not forbid you from wanting or desiring ice cream, shawarma, and all that. Is natural for children to demand this, but I want to tell you, you cannot replace this. The priesthood is irreplaceable, and the ministry of Ebuka Obi cannot equal the ministry of any priest. Whenever there is crisis like this, find out the truth before you come out to ridicule the priest. Because whenever any priest is ridiculed, every priest is ridiculed. That's what you don't know. When I begin to talk, I see no jealousy. There is this tendency for human beings to forget where they are coming from. For the fact that a priest, feeds you with the Eucharist, hears your confessions, baptizes your children, takes care of the catechesis and do everything. If you base your life on prophecy, you will crash. Prophecy is a gift and not a fruit. None of us is perfect. Let us just say that maybe that Ebuka mistakenly, because a prophet can never be in spirit every day. And only one every day. He will force himself to speak. He's human, he's natural. Don't shift it, don't rub it on any priest who has helped you. You are indirectly insulting Father Ebuka. You are indirectly reducing him to a street boy that goes about, on the street looking for you. As what? Your rising can never stop any other person from rising. Any small boy tomorrow can rise and knock you off. In the same way in the priesthood, any priest can rise and knock all of us off. And we are just there. We are finished serving our peoples. Let our people learn. It's very, very uncharitable. I'm not saying that now, claiming to be sarcastic or claiming to be capable of saying whatever I want to say without fear. I'm just irritated by lies. And I hate injustice. Anywhere I'm free, I pounce on it. Look at Ekusiga. See no father no the opposite the place are mechanic. Ekusiga manipulate your mind. Any human being that can make me to believe that any priest can descend solo. And you have to admit it. And it's not a sign that you are no longer a prophet. Every day, and it's not normal. And your people have pressured you to be doing that. Every day you give prophecy, is a must that you must lie, because the Holy Spirit cannot be at your disposal on daily basis for prophecy. It's not possible. This very prophecy is not true. Other ones may be true. Let us admit it, but it will be at the end of the day. Every human being must mess up one day. Also, Messi, world best player. He put a penalty near 1-1. The day Chelsea won Champions League, Messi missed penalty. It be 1-1 with the keeper. Why check it? And you have to deal with it. Good news coming to love it. Buru mask it is love it. And God wanted to teach you a lesson that no matter whatever gift you have to be humble about it. You make important about it too much. Nature will humiliate you. Then what I want you to Buru my video. Yeah, you're not any of you for anything. And the Messi finish the operation perfectly. Are you married? You want to marry me? I crack what joke. Nobody claim which have the first testimony. Claim which all your gift and your powers and everything. You couldn't see it because no human being sees everything. It's normal. It is in a season of Father Nigeria. It's so painful, and you're a Catholic. How can money need can do also because the charism, the charismatic renewal, which Ebuka Obi started, have a law that no charismatic member have the right to found another thing, in order not to create disorder in the church. Now this is a disorder in the church because the charism vow to the bishop's conference that they have a law, and only notice in a private ministry, you'll be sacked from the renewal. But this one started from nowhere, broke the law, and yet it's still accommodated on a man Catholic. And then in the same thing that I find a way at log ahead with the priest. When we go here and back, can't you go and address it? After now, I call if on your bone barrier, and the father wake up. When I had it, wake up and carry your rosary, carry your prayer, and come online if possible. And vindicate your integrity. My corner isn't that just because somebody cooks salad and bring to you, you forget all the oba and all the food for her and the thing that your mother had been cooking for you because this person just fried something fry and gave to you. Prophecy is like fry. If you eat it as a prayer, as a lifestyle, it obaga for immense. So let us be very serious with what we are doing. And remove all these sentiments so that Igbo land will not turn to a place of power tussle. And they pull looking down from where? Are you on top of anything? Have you become something that nobody have seen? We have seen many pastors who are even doing well, better, have bigger branches, managing it seamlessly without noise. So Igbo Amabu, but all cast here, don't blame it on any of us. We don't hate you. We raised you, the priesthood raised you. Question of Adonia was you don't know that the priesthood is one. Opening up half a day, money making, but in about one priest from Enugu and Sultan. You know, make allusion on the priesthood in the generic. Upon the show, no father, need the show, you half here. My make your research. Who am I on the Christian of it now, but the mother Bazana, whom the father has not. A jealous society. Jealousy for what? There's nothing to jealous. We have what is so precious and which is good enough for us. So I pray that God will help this to sink in the head of every one of you so that you understand the reality of truth. God bless all of you. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Happy Ash Wednesday. God bless you.